Here are some things that we may be able to do for our small business right now when things get difficult. Hi everyone, hope you're all well. Are you feeling a level of anxiety for your business at the moment? Interest rates are rising, which depending on your industry may have an impact on demand for your business. Now obviously when interest rates rise, there is just less disposable income in the economy and people tend to tighten their belts. There's also been a minimum wage rise, which may also put added stress on small businesses who may be on a knife's edge. So if this is causing you anxiety, you're not the only one. There are businesses that are feeling the same thing. Fortunately enough, we have a heads up on where things are going, so we can make some adjustments and hopefully get our small business through some challenging times. Now, I've put together 3 things. They're not rocket science, but the whole idea is to encourage our business owners to think strategically about their businesses. And what usually happens is, and I've been through it myself, when things get tough, the business owner takes on a lot of the work themselves, meaning they have less time for strategic thinking and analysis, and this could lead to the business being less efficient during a time where the business needs to be running super efficient. Number 1 is prepare for finance before you need it. I've spoken about this many times, but once you know you need finance or you hit hardships, it's generally when your business is struggling, and those struggles will probably be reflected on your interim P&L figures. Unfortunately, when that occurs, you may be less attractive to the banks. If you're getting finance personally, your business may be struggling to the point where your wages may have to drop, again, affecting your application for finance. Act before your business is really struggling. We know that there's hard times ahead. So, if you think you will need working capital at some stage, get it when you or your business is most attractive to the banks, not when you're least attractive. And here is a tip. If you're able to get finance and you're getting it just as a fallback and you think you may not need to use it, get a separate offset account. Keep it topped up, you'll have access to a cash reserve and you won't be paying any interest on it at all. It's a win-win. You may sleep better at night knowing that if things get really rough, at least you have a cash reserve there that you can fall back on whenever you need it. If you're a float client and you need assistance with setting something like this up, give us a call and we'll help you out. We'll put you in the right direction with one of our partners. Number 2, know your business and know your current revenue drivers. Keep up to date with what is driving your revenue demand for items. Things change rapidly in economic downturns. So even when a business is going through good times and there is a product or there's certain things in that business that may be really in hot demand, we know that downturns can change that. So keep up to date with what is driving your revenue and cut out any unnecessary services or products that may be causing micro losses in your business. We do not want micro losses. For example, if you're a cafe, you might find that your demand for a particular item has dropped in the colder months or whilst interest rates are high. For example, larger meals or pricier items on the menu. Maybe dropping a certain item off the menu will mean your inventory and logistic costs go down. Or let's say you might be able to shave down your trading hours for certain hours that are causing micro losses. Running super efficient is the key, and knowing your business is what will allow you to make these decisions. Now Dan is going to be bringing out a video soon about dashboards, and we're so strong on dashboards because it provides you with live data. Number 3, being adaptable is so important. So adapting your product line and making changes in your business to the demand. So know the environment. If there's a decline in demand due to a reduction of disposable income in the economy, then think about your product line and adapt. Maybe you're a floor sander or a floor painter and you traditionally do 3 to 4 coats of paint on a floor. Maybe provide cheaper options to those who are either selling a house or an agent who is doing a house up to sell. Maybe providing 2 coats will allow your product to be a lot more affordable to these types of people and will increase demand for your product. It's just an example, but you get the point. So, thanks all for your time. Again, the exercise today was just really all about helping us to think strategically. These are just 3 small tips, but there are so many things that we can do in our business to help our business be super efficient, and that really is the key. Allow yourself time as a business owner to take a deep breath and think about high level, how can I make things a lot more efficient in my business? If there's anything we can do to help, of course, reach out. If you're a float client, we're always here to help you. So make sure you give us a call. Thank you, take care, and we'll chat soon.